Hello and welcome everybody to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes. Myself Padma, and today we will be seeing how to prepare Shimpian Kheer. This is a Diwali special dish and it is a sweet dish. Shimpian Kheeri is usually prepared during Diwali in most of the Konkani homes. Along with this kheer, we also prepare jambul as a sweet dish. To know how to prepare jambul, click on the description link given in the description box. Coming to the ingredients, you need 1 cup raw rice, 1 medium-sized coconut for extracting coconut milk as well as for preparing shimpi, 3 to 4 blocks of jaggery grated and kept, 2 to 3 teaspoons of ghee, 8 to 10 numbers of cashew nuts, or even you can use lesser number also, 5 to 6 number of elaichi powder and use. First, grate coconut and extract first, second and third coconut milk and keep it aside. Wash and soak the rice for 3 to hours. Grind it to a coarse paste, adding 4 tablespoons of grated coconut. Add less water during grinding as you need to make small balls out of it. Now pinch out small marble-shaped balls out of the paste. Press it between your palms and make flat disc shapes. This is called as shimpi. Now coming to how to prepare the kheer out of it. Add grated jaggery for melting into second and third coconut milk. Once the jaggery is melted, switch off the flame. If your jaggery has impurities, then sieve it and use. Now switch on. Add the shimpi to this solution and boil on low flame for 20 to 25 minutes. This is for the shimpi to absorb jaggery. Always use low flame for boiling so that the shimpi does not break. Now add the first coconut milk and keep it for heating on a medium to low flame. Switch off the flame once heated. Do not boil nicely after adding the first coconut milk as it will get curdled. Ghee roast the cashew nuts. Now add cardamom powder and ghee roasted cashew nuts to your kheer. Mix well. Your Shimpian Kheeri is ready to be served. You can even store this in the refrigerator as it tastes good on keeping. You can refrigerate leftover kheeri for 2 to 3 days as well. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe.